Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I again welcome you to this exciting session of percentages part 3, guys. I again welcome you to this exciting session of percentages part 3, what we have planned for you. So is I'm clearly audible visible? Is I'm clearly audible visible? If yes, please do let me know. Good evening, Shrivani. Welcome to yet another exciting session of percentages. So we have done this. I think we need to begin from here today. We need to begin from here today, guys. Okay. That was all done. So welcome to yet another exciting session of percentages. So we will begin from here today, guys. We will begin from here today. Good evening, Ram. Good evening. So we are beginning with this question. I want all of you to please share the session, guys, across your friends so that they can also join us. This is percentages part 3. This is percentages part 3. I want all of you to please do the sharing part. Please do the sharing of the session across your friends so that they can also join us. Hello, Harika. Yet another exciting session of percentages is what we are going to plan. So beginning with the easy question, then some moderate questions will also come, then some question of days will also come, and there are a lot of happenings which is going to happen. Hello, Sarathi, very good evening. Hello, Sarathi, very good evening. With lot of excitement and with lot of learnings, guys, we are planning our session 3 of CGL. We are planning our session 3 of CGL 2022 preparation. In an inspection, 0.08% are defectives. In an inspection, 0.08% are defective. You have to reject 2. So these 2 are defective. These 2 are defective. So basically 0.08% is equal to 2. Take out the decimal, 2 zeros will come over here. Take out the percentage, so 8 by 100 is equal to 200. 8 2 just 16, 8 2 just 16, 8 5 just 40. So total are 2500. Total are 2500. Total are 2500. Good evening, Jeevita, Shrivani, Putin, and all. Good evening, all. Okay. So 0.08% are 200. So total are 2500. Total are 2500. Okay. You can also say, sir, 0.08% of total X are 200. Simplify this. So 20 over here. Eliminate this percentage, divide by 100. So X comes out to be, guys. Okay. Like this. Okay, like this. Like this. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Point 0.08. It is given now that he is rejecting 0.08. He is rejecting 0.08. So you have to reject 2. So basically 0.08% is equal to 2. Basically 0.08% is equal to 2. Got it? Got it? In an examination, total marks are 500. A scored 25% more than B. 25% means 1 by 4 more. 1 by 4 more. So A and B are scoring in the ratio 5:4. A and B are scoring in the ratio 5:4. B scored 60% more than C. So B over C is in the ratio. 60% means 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. So if C is scoring 5, then B is scoring 8. C scored 20% less than D. 20% less means 1 less than 5. So D over C is in the ratio 4:5. D over C is in the ratio 4:5. Now, what is given? A marks given, and you have to obtain the D. A marks given, and you have to obtain the D. If A marks given, you have to obtain the D. So the connection between A and D is required. Connection between A and D is required. How can you establish the connection between A and D? It is A upon B into B by C into C by D, successive multiplication. How can you connect A and D? A by B into B by C into C by D. Okay. A by B 5/4. B by C is 8/5. And C by D is 4/5. 5 will cancel out, 4 will cancel out. So it is A by D is 8/5. A by D is 8/5. So if A will score 8, D will score 5. If A will score 8, D will score 5. How much A is? Oh my God. Oh my God. You can watch it in the recording, guys. You can watch it in the recording. I'm not doing it complete now. A by D was 8/5. A is scoring 80%, so 8 is equal to 80%. So D is 5, so 5 is equal to 50%. So required answer is 5. Clear? Clear, guys? Please don't ask to repeat, guys, because the entire solution is gone. However, it is with you in the recording. However, it is with you in the recording. Okay? This is with you in the recording, so you need not to worry. But don't ask to please repeat it. Yeah. Don't ask to please. So now the pass fail have already started. The pass fail type has already started. And today there are 2 to 3 questions of the day, or maybe the point questions. Today there can be 2 to 3 point questions. So there would be an opportunity to get 2 to 3 points today, guys. There would be opportunity to get 2 to 3 points today. Okay. So just buckle up till then. Just buckle up till then. So is HR is here? Is HR is here? Or Rashmi is there? Because till now only they have points. Okay, HR is here. Rashmi is not there. So today there is opportunity to score multiple points. Today there are opportunity to score multiple points. Yeah. And we might be only doing 10 questions today, guys. So you can understand how the things are going to go. How the things are going to go. Okay. A candidate, if he score 20% marks, he fails by 30. And when he score 32% marks, he get 42 marks extra. So when he is scoring 20%, He is short by 30. Short means fail. Fail I am denoting by negative. Less. Fail is what? Some marks less. So 30 marks less. And on scoring 32%, he has some extra marks, which is 42. Extra marks. It's not a cream, it's marks, okay? 42 marks extra. So on one side there is a percentage, on another side there are marks. On one side there are percentage, on another side there are marks. So this minus this, 12% marks is equal to 72. This minus this. So 1% marks is equal to 6. So 1% marks is equal to 6. 1% marks is equal to 6. So if 1% is 6, I can also convert them into percentages. I can also convert them into percentages. So 30 would be equal to, if 6 is 1%, 30 is a 5%. So this 30 is equal to 5% marks. So when he was scoring 20% marks, he was short by 5. He was short by 5%. So the passing percentage is 20 plus 5, 25%. However, I have seen the options. Options are bad. Only 25 is possible. Oh, let me call someone. Okay. No, please change it. Okay? Okay. Okay. Guys, on 20% he is getting fail, and on 32% he is passing with extra marks. So passing percentage should be lying between these two only. On 20% he is getting fail, and on scoring 32% he is passing with extra marks. So answer should be lying between 20 to 32% only. Only one option. However, it will not always happen. But whenever it will happen, you need to take care of it. It can save a lot of time. It will not always happen, but whenever it will happen, it can save a lot of time. Clear? Some more question of this type. Well done, Sudeep. When scoring 31% marks, he was short by 16. And when scoring 40% marks, guys, he is 56 extra. He or she. The one who is scoring 40% marks is 56 extra. Oh, scoring 31% marks, guys, it's less than 16. Scoring 40% marks, guys, it is more than 56. This is percentage, this is marks. This minus this 9% is equal to 72. 1% marks is equal to 8. 1% marks is equal to 8. 1% marks is equal to 8. Either found 31% marks or 40% marks. So I'm finding 31% marks. 31% marks are 31 into 8. 248. So initially he was scoring 248 and getting failed by 16. Initially he was scoring 248 and getting failed by 16. So the passing marks are 248 plus 16, 264. And look at the options as well, bacha. They are bad. They are baddest. They are baddest. Huh? So on scoring 248 marks, guys, he was failed by 16. So passing marks are 248 plus 16, that is 264 are the passing marks. Are the passing marks. Clear? Clear? Any issues whatsoever? Any issues whatsoever? Let's quickly move on slowly. Let's quickly move on slowly. Huh? So today there are a lot of point questions which can come. I change the cells, yeah. Okay. Two students appeared for the examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than another. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, we need to do it. His marks are 56% of the sum. So one who is scoring more is 56% of the total. What is the total over here? 71. What is the total over here? 50, 75. What is the total over here? 5 and 135. And what is the total over here? 127. In which case, the higher marks are 56% of the total. Is it 40 is 56% of 76? Not looking so. We can go for this, guys. We should check this. Is 42 is 56% of total? Because we have to look for the possibility. Where the simplification can happen. 71 is a prime number. No simplification can even happen here. 71 is a prime number. No simplification can even happen over here. So 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja. 4 is simplifying 14 times. 42 is equal to 42. Guys, no simplification is possible over here. If you will go for this, you can go for this, but 75% is more easy number to solve. So I have gone for it. Do I need to tell the complete way as well? Do I need to tell the complete way as well, guys? Come on, tell me. Okay. The complete way is, the complete way is, let the students are A and B. Let the students are A and B. So A scored 56% of their sum, that is A plus B. So A over A plus B is, so A over A plus B, simplify by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 25. So A over A plus B is 4 by 25. So I can say A is 14. So B is 14 plus 11, na? 14 plus 11, 25. So A is 14 and B is 11. A is 14, B is 11. A is 14 and B is 11. This is according to the ratio. This is according to the ratio. So A is scoring 3 more and 3 is given as 9. And 3 is given as 9. So 3 3 ja 9. So what is 14? 14 3 ja 42. And 11 is 11 into 3, 33. Cool and clear? Perfect. Perfect. Difference according to the ratio is 3, which is given as 9. Difference according to the ratio is 3, which is given as 9. So 1 is equal to 3. 14 into 3 is 42. 11 into 3 is 33. Correct? So getting warmed up, guys, or not? Getting warmed up or not? And always, guys, always tough questions are not very important. You should enjoy this part as well. You should enjoy this part as well, other than the question of day. I'm saying enjoy the question of the day as well, but enjoy this part as well. That is our USP. Quickly share the session, as guys. Quickly share the session across your friends. Those who have done the sharing part, please do not forget to do the liking as well. If you are liking the session and learning the session. One who scored 20% fail by 5, and one who scored 30% get 20 extra. This minus this, this minus this. So 10% marks is equal to 25. 10% marks is equal to 25. Simplify by 5. So 5 is equal to 2% marks. 5 is equal to 2% marks. 5 is equal to 2% marks. So when he was getting failed by 5, can I say he was getting failed by 2%? When he was getting failed by 5, can I say he was getting failed by 2%? So on scoring 20% as well, he was less than 2%. Even on scoring 20%, he was short by 2%. So passing percentages, other than 20, 2% max marks are also required, 22%. Are you very, very good at this now? Are you very, very good at this now? It's been quite a time now. It's the third question what we have taken on this pattern. It's the third question what we have taken on this pattern. Okay. You might have done some calculation error, Ram. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Is it done? This is done. This is done. So I think the question of days are very near. Guys, question of days are very near. If someone is without pen and paper as of now, he or she can take it, yeah. If someone is without pen and paper as of now, he or she can take it. Okay. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. And here they are. And here they are. Chalo, I will give 1 point for this as well. I will give. Yeah, Sarathi, I'm doing all the required changes. Sarathi, I'm going to do all the required changes. You just not worry about it. Just be with me. Just be with me. I'm going to do all the required changes. Yeah. I'm going to provide 1 mark for this, 1 point for this. Whatever are the required changes, Sarathi, I will keep on doing him. Okay. So I think very clearly, Harika got the point. So congratulations, Harika. Congratulations, Harika. You have also opened up your account. You have also opened up your account and others were wrong. In any school, there are 4% of the students did not appear for annual examination. Initially, assume it 100. So 4% means 4 did not appear. So 96 appear. So 4% does not appear. So 96 appeared. 96 appeared. Okay. 96 students appeared, guys. Now, 10% of this could not pass the examination. So I need to find out the 10% of it, which will become decimal. So I'm putting one more zero. I'm putting one more zero. So 10% could not pass. So 96 could not pass. Remaining 960 minus 96. I'm assuming it 100, 860. 860 minus 4 is 856 passed. 856 passed. 856 passed. Okay. 856 passed. Now, those who will pass, only we talk about distinction or non-distinction among them only. So, 50% of them got the distinction. If 50% get the distinction, 50% does not. If 50% get the distinction, some and remaining does not. What is 50% of 856? It's 432. And I think this is the same value what is given in the question. Like 432 gets, so 432 does not get. And even in the question, it is given that 432 students could not get the distinction. Even in the question, it is given that 432 students could not get the distinction. So this 432 is equal to 432. So 1 is equal to 1. So 1000 is equal to 1000 answer. So 1000 is equal to 1000 answer. Any issues to anyone, guys? Please do tell me. We were solving from ratio. We were solving from ratio. Okay, 864. Write it as 864. Okay. So 432 each. We were solving from ratio, taking it as, we were solving from ratio, taking it as 1000, and we got non-distinction students as 432, which is also given as 432 in the question. Which is also given as 432 in the question. So 432 is equal to 432. So 1000 is equal to 1000. So total number is equal to 1000. So total students were equal to 1000. Is it clear, bacha? Is it clear? Is it clear? Out of these 960 who have appeared, 96, 10% got fail. 10% got fail. So how many are pass? Appeared minus fail. Appeared minus fail, 864. So 864 are pass. 50% with distinction and 50% without distinction. So 432. Half and half of both are 432, 432. And 432 is given as 432 in the question. So 1000 is equal to 1000 as well. I hope, guys, everyone is clear now. Na? I think everyone is clear now. Na? 100%. 100%, bacha. Chalo. 1 point question over. This is also a quality question. This is also a quality question. I'm keeping it without marks. Yeah? I'm keeping it without points. But a very quality question. Quickly like and share, guys. Please make sure I haven't have to ask it for. I haven't have to say it for, guys. Yeah, it should be from inside. Okay. Looking at the efforts. Looking at the effort, it should be from inside. Okay. I should not be saying for it. Abhijit, okay, wow, Abhijit, welcomed. Abhijit, you are in the also race. Abhijit, these days I am giving the points. Yeah, these days I am giving the points. So till now, Harika has 1 point, and there is HR has 1 point, and Rashmi Bhola has 1 point. So I'm giving up them for unique questions. Okay. And let's suppose, guys, if I maintain it, I would be able to remember at least the top 2 who are in the race. Then you can expect something from my side. Every month. Every month. Might be a very small gift. You know, your sir is not rich, but still, he is running hand to mouth. Yeah. So, marks obtained by Sohan in English is half the marks obtained by him in Hindi and Sanskrit. So, English marks and Hindi and Sanskrit marks are in the ratio 1:2. English marks and Hindi and Sanskrit marks is in the ratio 1:2. Hindi is 3 by 4 of geography. Hindi is 3 by 4 of geography. Hindi is 3 by 4 of geography. And Sanskrit is 120% of geography. So Sanskrit over geography is 120% means 100, 6 by 5. So Sanskrit over geography is 6 by 5. Now there are two ways. Now there are two ways. Thank you, Jivita. Now there are two ways. Either do it, balance the ratios, or do it directly. Like geography, it is 80. So if 5 is equal to 80, then 6 is equal to 96. Sanskrit are also known. Geography is known, Sanskrit is also known. Geography is known, Sanskrit is also known. Now, geography is also known as 80. So Hindi is also known, 60. So 3 marks known, guys, now. Geography marks known, Sanskrit marks known, and history marks, Hindi marks are also known. History marks, Hindi marks are also known. Okay, what is Sanskrit plus Hindi? Sanskrit plus Hindi is 60 plus 96, 156. So 2 is 156. So 1 is 78. So English is also known. English is also known. Everything is known. Only 4 subjects was there: English, Hindi, Geography, and Sanskrit. English 78, Hindi 60, Geography already given 80, Sanskrit 96. Okay. 78 plus 140 plus 96. You will get 314, the answer from here. I think this is good. This is good, na? I think this is cool. Rather than first balancing and wasting the time, we find out the values directly. Guys. Because if we balance the ratios as well, okay, that would also be not that much easy. First you have to balance the geography, then you have to see the sum of history and Sanskrit, then you need to balance this. So why to do these kind of things, guys? Why not directly find out the marks? Yeah, why not directly find out the marks? We need to do the balancing, guys. First we will balance the geography marks, then we will find out the sum of history and Sanskrit, then we will balance this ratio. So better than this, find out directly. Okay, cool. Let's move on. One more point question can come. Chalo. So those who are connected for me for long, now they can also see sir is doing the changes to the examination. Point question. Pin drop silence. Okay. So obviously Harika also confirmed it. Harika also confirmed it that it's the Abhijit who has grabbed the point. It's the Abhijit who has grabbed the point. So it's now 1-1-1-1 each. What a tight competition. A certain number of students from school X appeared in the examination. So let the number of students from the school X are 100. 20% of them failed. So 20 failed. So 80 passed. 20 failed. So 80 passed. 130% more. Oh, this is an interesting language. 130% more. So 130% more than this. So 130% more than 100 is 130 more, that is 230. Some of you would have done the error over here. Some of you would have done the error over here that in the school Y there are 230 students. How many of you have done it over here, guys? That is, number of students in the school Y are 230. Chalo. 90% of the total students appeared from both the schools passed. So how many total students appeared from both the schools? The total student appeared from both the schools are 330. The total students appeared from both the schools are 330. So 90% of them passed. That is 9 by 10 of 330 passed, which is becoming 297. Bacha, oh, yeah. Yeah, 290 passed. So guys, total students passed from both the schools are 297. Total students passed from both the schools are 297. Out of which 80 are from school 1. So remaining 297 minus 80 are from school Y. That is 217. 217 are from school Y. Okay. So if 217 from here, then obviously 13 have failed in this school. To make it equal to 230. To make it equal to 230. So if 217 passed, then 13 failed. To make this sum is equal to 230. So in the school Y, 13 have failed over total of 230 into 100. 130 by 23. 23 into 5 is a very good number. 23 into 5 is a very good number, 115. And 23 into 6 is 138. Less than 6%, more than 5%. Is it worth giving marks? Abhijit, one of my previous Abhijit sometimes remember my dialogues as well, okay? He has already told sir is going to tell. Sir, however, I have taken this question for the very first time. I have never ever taken this question before. So he has matched the thought process that into 6, into 5, so different like between 5 to 6. Between 5 to 6. Clear to all, guys? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. So it's a tough competition, bacha. It's a tough competition. Harika won, Abhijit won, HR won, and yeah. Great. Oh, clear. So 90% of the total. 90% of the total. So total were 330. Why 330? 100 plus 230. So total 297 passed. Out of which 80 from school X. So remaining 217 from school Y. Pass or fail are 13. To make it 230. 13 failed over 230 is. I filled the gaps if you revise it later. I filled the gaps as well if you revise it later. Okay. Next. Chalo yaar, without marks. Without marks. However, this is also a question. This is also a gem. This question is also a gem. But without marks. Well done, Shudesh. This is no less than previous. This question is also no less than previous. But let's take it normally. And let's take it normally. So guys, please, those who are regular visitors, you also let about the session in the comment box. That inspire us. And those who are new joinees to our session, those who are new to me, those who are new followers of me, please you also let us know in the comments, guys, about the session and about our planning for CGL 2020. Because CGL बच्चा are समझदार. CGL का बच्चा समझदार होता है. And you can let us know, guys, that the path we have chosen is good, is worth or not. The path we have chosen is good, worth or not. X plus 20% of 250 is 25% more than, okay, let's leave this line as of now, 25% more than X percent of 220. Okay, now see, guys, how I'm going to use this information. 25% more. 25% more in the ratio is 1 more than 4. 25% more in the ratio is 1 more than 4. So can I say the initial value is 5 by 4 of the previous value? If it is 1 more than 4, so I'm going to convert it into ratio. I'm going to convert it into ratio. So I'm using that the initial value is 5 by 4 of the previous value. Taking this step, this question has become solvable. Just after taking this step, guys, the problem has become now easy to solve. The problem has now become easy to solve. 5 5 ja. 5 5 ja. Off will cancel out, bacha. Off will cancel out. It is X plus 20%. So I will do the change over here. Otherwise, the things will change. Otherwise, the things will change. I hope those who know the percentages might be knowing by this point. So X plus 20 into 5 and this is into 4 is equal to X into 22 is equal to X into 22 is equal to X into 22. Just simplifying it. So 20X plus कहीं कोई पंगा तो नहीं है ना भाई? या 5 4 जा 20 and this is 1. 400. ओहो, देखना पड़ेगा एक बार मुझे. बिकॉज कहीं कोई कैलकुलेशन हो गया तो फिर लौटने में टाइम लगेगा. X plus 20%, X plus 20% of 250 is 25%, that is 1 by 4 more, that is 5 by 4 of X percent of 220, of X percent of 220. ठीक है. So we will find out the value. Yeah, we will find out the value of X from here. Then we will see what is there. Okay. So let's take it over this. 400 is equal to 2X. So X is 200. Oh my God. X is 200. So 10% of 200 plus 50, 250 is what percentage more than? Is what percentage more than? Is compared with 15% of X, 15% of 200, yeah. Which is about, percentage cancel out 2 zeros, is compared with 30. Is compared with 30. Percentage cancel out 2 zeros. So 25 is compared with 30. 25 is how much less than 30? 25 is how much less than 30? You will say, sir, it's 5 less. You will say, sir, it is 5 less. 5 less. Comparison from this, the later value, 30. 5 less over 30. The later value. Later means what is written later. So 1 by 6, convert 1 by 6 into percentage. It's 16, 2 by 3% is the answer. Convert 1 by 6 into 100. It is 16, 2 by 6 is the answer. Correct. Correct. Correct, guys. Any issues? Do let me know. Perfect. So we have completed today's session. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed it. We have completed today's session, guys. You might have thoroughly enjoyed it. Please do tell in the comment box as well. And do watch out percentage 1, percentage 2, percentage 3 for CGL 2022-3 preparation. This is only for SSC UP Triple SC students. It's for student. No, not 250, bacha. It's not 250. Of X only. And X was 200. Abhijit. It's 15% of X. Oh. What happened, Abhijit? How can you say this? 15% of X, na? And X was 200 only. This is the like our example official app, the great app, guys, consisting of all the free things: job alerts, quizzes, previous year PDF with solution, all India mock, practice question, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, study material, test series, free courses. Only the paid courses paid, because it's a structured effort. Consisting a lot of teamwork. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Do not forget to like the session before going. Okay. Take care of